Hey guys, today I'm gonna unbox this giant box that we were fixing. Oh, don't look! No looking! Close your eyes, YouTube. Whoa! Rovers. Whoa! Amazon.com. Guys, are you ready? Awesome! Do you guys know what this is? That's for a charger. You need to plug it in. This. What the heck? It's a dinosaur. Look, it comes with a phone. It comes with a phone, guys. Look at this. Look, guys, there's a phone. Look, guys, there's a phone. It's useless. Are you ready to open this one too? Let's dig it. Oh, and first, we have to find the bottom. We're definitely going to. Or let's be careful as we go to. As we go on the Ready? Because this is not a big man. I'm going to smash the box. The robot itself. It does that is awesome. Oh, first we need instructions. If we're still able to, if you don't need instructions, you're gonna. So, and this looks like a real controller. Whoa. Awesome, guys. Hey guys, so look at all the stuff. Look, can you guys see anything?
Nope.
Oh,
Wow.
and you can use this. See this button? It's colors. So sick. A few tries to make it.
এখন বাবা
First try. We got 3 tries to make it, so I did the first try. Two more tries. Finally got 2 more tries. 2 more tries.